So I saw this video on World Star. Big up World Star. Two girls about to fight. Regular thing. Breaking news, breaking news. We interrupt this program to talk about that goddamn name. I already know what I'm gonna talk about. It's a trending topic, man. SHARKEISHA. SHARKEISHA? That cannot be your real name. That is the most ghetto name I have heard in my entire life. Honestly, the person who deserve to get thumped in their face are your parents, if that's your real name. SHARKEISHA? What? You're born when Shark Week are going on Discovery Channel? I mean, it could have been worse. It could have been Octopus Week. Or it could have been a situation where them just name you after the first thing them see. And that could have been shit. SHARKEISHA though? Who the fuck in their right mind name somebody SHARKEISHA? Is there a shortage on regular names? People who know your name when you're picking them. Regular name or run out. Or did your parents make like a conscious effort to avoid anything that's normal? We don't want the regular name, man. You have the ghetto book of names. Yeah, give it the ghetto book of names. We'll go through that. Lionfishisha. No, we don't like that name. Mermaidisha, no. SHARKEISHA. SHARKEISHA. Call her SHARKEISHA. This bone for make World Star. Call her SHARKEISHA. But then again, we see why them call her SHARKEISHA. She give that girl like the hammerhead. I think SHARKEISHA is in some way related to that bus driver. Going to jail now. SHARKEISHA running upon a girl with like a Kimbo Slice, Floyd Mayweather, Lennox Lewis, Adrian Broner type of shit. What? Bitch said he holla about fuck me? No, fuck that bitch. Yo, I still can't get over the name they do. Where the fuck did you get that name? SHARKEISHA came in like a wrecking ball. SHARKEISHA punched a girl's face right into a sinkhole. SHARKEISHA hit that girl with a great white. Even with those glasses on, my girl could not see that punch coming. SHARKEISHA gave that girl a Robin tick. She's only going to be seeing blurred lines. I mean the God said none of them right. They said couldn't yell out and warn the girl. SHARKEISHA. I mean the punch is not even all that. It's just the name. The name get me. SHARKEISHA. Yo, they need to give this girl a reality show. On the Discovery Channel, The Life of SHARKEISHA. Hey, SHARKEISHA is the name. Hammerhead and bitches is the game. I promise you, boo boo. I promise you. I swear to God, this girl's name sound like a sci-fi movie. A shark and a bitch in one. Sucker punching everything. SHARKEISHA. Right here on Sci-Fi. Shit. Like your parents couldn't go with something more graceful? Seahorseisha? Sealeisha? Squidisha? Penguinisha? If she was fat, they would have called her Whaleisha. Ha! I have always heard of these names, Taquisha and all this shit, but really? SHARKEISHA. Good thing Jamaican parents don't stay like that, cause some would have probably named all Neesberryisha, Goatisha, Donkeyisha, Soursapisha, Aloe Verisha, Guavaisha, Mackerellisha, Bully Beefisha, Yamisha, Potatoisha, Pattyisha, Akiisha, Breadfruitisha, Ganjaisha, Sursitisha, SHARKEISHA. God damn. Everybody look out for SHARKEISHA's documentary coming out on the Discovery Channel. Check out the video in the description below. Think you believe it and live to achieve it. And girls, parents, don't give your children these types. That cannot be her name. SHARKEISHA though? The fuck? Think you believe it and live to achieve it. Look everybody, it's SHARKEISHA!
Lydia. Yes man!